This is Joshua Farnsworth. Welcome to my traditional woodworking school. In this video, hand plane expert Bill Anderson shows the proper way to flatten the sole of a vintage or reproduction wooden hand plane. Having a flat sole is vital to a properly functioning hand plane.
So we're going to flatten the sole. I've installed the iron and the wedge in here, and I've set the iron in tightly down below the sole about an eighth of an inch or so it's not going to be in the way. And I've tested with a straight edge to see if there's any height here and any lack of flatness. And it's a little bit shallow here, so I need to take off some material in this part right here. So I'm just going to give a few passes along the length here.
Here's one of our related videos I think you'll like. Check the link in the description below.
And then test again by straight edge. And that looks perfectly straight there. I'm happy with that. But let me just give a real quick try with the winding sticks and make sure I haven't introduced any wind.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying watching our video so far, and I just want to take a few seconds to let you know about our traditional woodworking store, which you can visit while taking a class or by visiting our website at woodandshop.com/store. You'll find our amazing products to help you grow in traditional hand tool woodworking, including in-person and video woodworking classes, woodworking hand tools and workbenches, woodworking plans, traditional wood finishes, shirts and hats, and cool hand tool woodworking gifts for you or your loved ones. Okay, back to the show.
And that looks pretty good also. So I'm happy with this. My sole is flat and it's without wind. And we're ready to finish out the finishing.
If you're interested in learning traditional woodworking, come take a class at our school in Earlysville, Virginia. You can also visit our website at woodandshop.com, where you'll find a bunch of free woodworking lessons, workshop tours, and our very popular tool buying guides. And make sure you subscribe to our free newsletter to get our latest articles and videos. Enjoy!